Hey friends, I wanted to share something very cool that I got for Christmas, something very inexpensive but still cool nonetheless. I love gardening, and so these gloves that I just got for Christmas are fantastic. Got them from Amazon. They're called bamboo touchscreen work gloves. They are 68% bamboo. They're about 28% nylon and a small percentage of spandex to make them flexible. And then the coating on the bottom of the glove, and actually this is what the glove looks like. So you've got the bamboo material, that's the overall construction of the glove, but then the bottom is dipped in a nitrile coating. And that nitrile coating makes it very, very slip resistant in wet environments and in greasy environments, anything like that you might be dealing with. It's also going to protect your hands against the elements if you're digging in the garden, if you're working on a vehicle, whatever you might be doing. It's good for construction work, all kinds of applications, fishing, hunting, anything like that. It is not cut resistant, but it probably will help you against abrasions and some minor cuts and scrapes and things like that. But no claims to be cut resistant. But really comfortable. But what's really cool about it is it can be used with a touch screen. And so I don't know about you, but when I'm out gardening, I like to listen to my headphones, or you might listen to your earbuds. You might receive a call, and nothing's more frustrating than reaching into your pocket to grab your phone. You got gloves on, you're struggling trying to answer the phone, you can't answer because your gloves won't work. This is what I was using. It's a cheap nitrile glove, coated glove, not bad, but just would not work with a touch screen. But these are touch screens, so they're compatible with the phone, and I can use them, listen to music, change songs or podcasts, whatever I might be listening to. So as you can see, I'm trying to scan my podcast here with my old gloves, and nothing's working. So I'm going to take those off, put on the bamboo gloves. Grab the same phone, and no issues at all. I'm able to navigate around. I want to go to my phone and make a phone call or a calculator, or if I want to go to YouTube and scan through my channel, no problems there either. So these work great. Every single finger of these gloves, and oftentimes with touchscreen sensitive gloves there are only 2 fingers that are available, but this works with all the fingers. So the entire glove works on a touchscreen. So great glove, good price, very comfortable, highly recommend them. Very cool as well. The bamboo fabric's very cool to the touch, and it keeps your hands from getting hot and sweaty as well. But it's just going to give you a more natural feel when you're trying to work with your fingers, and not cumbersome and in the way like maybe a bulky leather glove might be. So anyway, I'm going to post the link to these in the description, so be sure to check it out. Yeah, good grip with these gloves. They're not insulated, so if you're looking for an insulated glove, you'll want to look elsewhere, but these gloves will be great for probably about 3 seasons, unless your hands aren't very sensitive to the cold weather. Right now we're having a mild day here in North Carolina in January. It's actually January the 1st, so Happy New Year. So anyway, I look forward to using these this coming season, and I certainly can do a review later on in the year to tell you how long they last. They're certainly not going to be a very long lasting glove, I doubt, but I think they'll probably last me for the whole season, and I'll buy some more next Christmas or get some for a stocking stuffer. So anyway, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Hope you have a great day. Talk to you later.